Hello guys, I'm Herman. In this video, I'm going to show you how I built a quadcopter from scratch using plywood and some components that you can easily find from AliExpress. After carefully designing the project using SolidWorks, I now proceeded with making the parts using the CNC machine and a 3D printer. So let's watch and enjoy. Now let's make the arm for the quadcopter using a 16mm thick plywood. Let's cut out the bottom cover. Okay, now let's cut out the top cover. Okay, now let's clean up the part using sandpaper. Oh wow, looks nice, right? Something here for this drone is made out of PLA plastic, so we printed it using the 3D printer, as you can see right there. Now that all the parts have been made, now we assemble the board. Okay, and now we are done with this part of the project. On the next part, we're going to program the APM flight controller, and then do the final testing of this thing, and then fly it out to see how it performs. I thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Please, if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye.